So I'm going to look at some terms in algebra. So if I have an equation in algebra that's 2x plus 4b minus 7 equals 100, I will use certain names so that it will help you understand. So if I'm talking about a term, I'm talking about the things that are spaced out by plus and minus signs. If they're spaced out by pluses, they're obviously pluses. If they're spaced out by minus, they're obviously minus signs. So these are all what we call terms of an algebraic equation. If I'm talking about a constant, that's something that doesn't change its value. Doesn't matter what happens to the equation, the constant doesn't change value. So minus 7 is a constant and 100 is a constant in this equation. Another thing that we might talk about is a variable. A variable is different to a constant because a variable changes, and a variable is often called a pronumeral. So variables or pronumerals are these. Well, this is a pronumeral here. The x is a pronumeral, and the b is a pronumeral. And they are parts of variable terms because the terms can change the value. So in this case here with this x, if I made x equal to 1, this would be 2 times 1, so this would be worth 2. But in a different case, when x might be 15, this term here would be worth 30 because 2 times 15 is 30. So there are 3 things that you need to know the difference between: what a term is, what a constant is, and what a variable or a pronumeral is. The other thing that I've used here is I've talked about an equation, and this whole box here is an algebraic equation. It's different than if I say an expression. An expression is part of an equation. So this part here is called an expression. So there you go. There's 2 more terms. All right, I hope that helps.